up till I start light on it. But I wanted to thank you all once again for listening to the kids, because I think after listening to them, you can see that this is much more than us just trying to put a trail in, that it's actually involved in the development of our community and our citizens as well. I wanted to give thanks to Commissioner Evans. She I think we were the first one to ride through there and look at that thing, and I think we want to start work on it, and she kind of helped us start moving forward. I see the sheriff back here. He was at a lot of our mentor programs when we started, and we've been working on this diligently, and we want to continue to work on it. We are trying to do this in such a way that we're not relying solely on government to do this, but we're going to have fundraising. We're going to have programs where the kids will raise money. That's another thing that I want to mention to you all. On March the 19th, we're going to have a community appreciation and recognition banquet. We'll be selling tickets for $10 and having ads and stuff that we're going to book. But all the money and the proceeds will be used to go into this trail to try to develop our community and help develop our children in a positive way. I have been very humbled at listening to these kids talk about how they could be a part of the community as opposed to us looking at them as part of the problem. This is a part of the solution. And thank y'all so much for your time and consideration. I know y'all have other business, but I appreciate y'all listening to this afternoon.